Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am here with Aiden today. Jose and Kaylee went to go grab some ice cream because we had our dinner, and then Jose wanted to treat her to some ice cream, so they went to go get that. And while they are gone, Aiden and I, or me, I'm just going to put Aiden down here in his bouncer and hopefully he will stay there. I will try to get some cleaning done. So yeah, this will be a little after dark clean with me. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and get started so we can do as much as we can before they get home. As usual, I am starting off in the kitchen. I am putting away the leftover spaghetti that we had for dinner that day, and then moving on to clearing off the countertops, cleaning them as well as the stove, and then moving on to washing the dishes before we move into vacuuming the floors.
What a comfort it would be. All along, standing strong, the way it ought to be. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. We're only human after all. Nothing could make us fall apart. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Yeah, it's not that big a deal when I think about it now. We should never be afraid to believe in it somehow. 'Cause we're only human after all. Nothing can make us fall apart. Whoa. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. We're only human. We're only human. We're only human after all. We're only human. We're only human. We're only human after all. Hear me when I say I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. We're only human. We're only human after all. At the end of the day, we're only human. We're only human after all.
When I vacuum my floors, I like to go ahead and just add some essential oil to my filter. In this case, I am using the lavender essential oil because it is a after dark clean with me, and the lavender is supposed to help soothe and calm down and whatnot. So I like to use this in the afternoons, and it leaves a very pleasant smell since you're using the vacuum, and it just releases all of that into the air. It makes your house smell very good. So I love this little trick. It's very easy and inexpensive and simple way to keep your house smelling fresh. And if you guys have not yet tried this little trick out, I would definitely recommend you do so. You will not regret it. Now moving on into the restroom, I am going to be giving the mirror a quick wipe down as well as the countertop, the sink, and then finishing off by cleaning the toilet. And this little trick here I found on Pinterest, and I just think it is a very easy thing to do and gives your house that extra touch. Like if you ever have gone to a hotel, you probably noticed that the toilet papers always have these nice little seams to them. So I usually like to do this, just run the water a little bit, make the paper into a little triangle or whatever shape you want, and then just go ahead and put it under the faucet, and then that little stamp underneath is going to seal it in. So that's just an easy way to make your toilet papers look cute. Now moving on to the living room, there's not a whole lot here, just a few things that we left in the entryway as we just come in through the door and set this on top of this cabinet. But as you can see here, I am showing you also that my necklace, the one that said Aiden, Kailey actually ripped, but hopefully I'm going to get that fixed. But yeah, now moving on into the rest of the living room, I'm just going to tidy it up a bit before vacuuming the area rug and then also the floors. And that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation and found this video relaxing, because I know I love cleaning in the afternoons when it's dark and it's just quiet. It's so therapeutic to me. It's so satisfying. I don't know, I just love waking up to a clean home. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.